So if you haven't heard of Calecim, I don't know where you have been sleeping, maybe under a rock, but this is amazing advanced stem cell technology, and it uses red antler deer stem cells from the placenta of the red antler deer. The placenta is one of the most stem cell rich areas, and because it's a mammal, it is the most like human beings. So it literally gives your hair instructions to grow. And I've been using Calecim for a while now. It has been working wonders on my hair growth, making my hair a lot fuller, and I'm on my maybe 5th box now, and I'm really excited because they are doing a exclusive sale just to my subscribers from now to December the 2nd, so you got to be quick. All purchases come with a free product. So for every $150 spent on skincare products, you get a free professional serum. You're saving about $136, and for every purchase of the advanced hair system kit, you get 2 times the ampoules, so 2 times of this, which is 2 weeks worth of treatment, and you're saving about $200. So it's amazing savings, and it's ampoule day, so it's the day where I'm using the ampoule today. So I thought I'd take you guys with me to show you exactly how I do it. So I'm on my last ampoule. So they come in these packages like so. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to microneedle my scalp. This is my new derma roller, guys. Okay, I'm not going to show you the name because I'm going through a whole rebranding. So if you want to be the first to know, sign up in the waitlist in my description. But I start off with derma rollering and microneedling my whole scalp, and I get questions. It's like, why, does your hair get cut? Does the hair get tangled? And literally no, and I think it's just my technique. Like, I'm just very light with it, and my wrist action here. And then for the ampoule, like that. And then I'll section my hair a few drops into my scalp. Literally just like a small drop. And then I would massage it into my scalp. And that's literally it. I do half, and I do a whole ampoule every week, 6-week advanced treatment. And it's powered by PTT6, which has all of these amazing benefits and ingredients in. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't miss out on the Black Friday sale, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.